Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to disable Google Chrome notifications on your mobile app. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Google Chrome app, and then from here we're going to be clicking on our three dots in the top right. We're going to be clicking on settings, and then underneath the first list of basic settings we should see notifications right underneath passwords. If we click into notifications, we can see all current allowed notifications from our Google Chrome app. You can see browser, downloads, incognito and media. What we can do is just disable all of these by closing all of these off, and if we scroll down further we can also see a list of sites that you have allowed notifications for, and we can also disable all of these here. Sometimes these can be enabled from spam sites if you're doing certain things or whatever. These things can happen, so this is a quick and easy tutorial on how to shut all these down. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.